Good morning, everyone. My name is Ghanendra, MP at first semester. So, today, group number 4, including Akash, Pratik, and Vanlal, will discuss on the topic yoga. So, starting from the word yog, the yog is derived from the Sanskrit word yuj, that means to unite, to add something, or to merge something. But generally, people relate this word with the mental exercise or the breathing exercise. But we can say that these all are the small part of that ocean. It is really lot more than that. So we can say that the thoughts, the situation, the ideas, the emotion, the relation, and the association of the person defines the personality. But yoga helps in breaking that shell of the personality and helps the person to present himself as a simple presence. Everything in our life is cyclic, from the birth of a child to the death, but yoga help in breaking that cycle and make it as a straight line. So Maharshi Patanjali also mentioned in Patanjali Yoga Sutra about the samadhi, which is the part of the stang yoga, which is also said that the person has to attain the ultimate goal of life, which is samadhi, which means the person will break the cyclic movement of the life. So in Patanjali Yoga Sutra, the one of the sutra is mentioning there about Yoga Chitta Vritti Nirodha, which means that the person has to eliminate or subtract the twists and turns and the deviation of the mind, so that his focus and mind should be calm and the focus should be very much pointed. We can see the example that we can see the clear and crystal image in the still water, but in the dirty or the disturbed water we couldn't see that. So the same example relate with that sutra, that if our mind is very much focused, the calm, then we can take the very good decision of our life. But on the other hand, it is disturbed or aggressive, or we can say any deviation is there, then we can't took that much effective decision. Also, in Bhagavad Gita, Bhagwan Shri Krishna also said that Yogastu Kuru Karmani Sangam Tattva Dhananjaya Siddha Siddhayo Samo Bhutva Samatvam Yoga Uchyate. That means the person should be steady and fast in performing his duty. But on the other hand, he or she is nothing to do with his result, and the person should be very much keep himself calm and polite, whether the situation is favorable or not, whether it is good or bad. The person mind should be steady and calm in every situation. So in simple word, we can see that yoga unite us, and yoga help in creating the harmony between our mind and the body.